Greetings from Adcrux. In this video, you will come to know a brief of how to use Adcrux email engine. So we'll start with even sign up and sign in and all this stuff. If you want to sign in, you can straight away click here. And if you would like to sign up, just click here and get started. So it will take you to registration, so where you can simply need to enter details, couple of details and time zone, all this stuff, and just check the I agree with the specified terms and conditions, or else you can log in simply using Facebook or Twitter. And if you have a sign in credentials already, just click on go to login. So here you have a login page. You can simply hit the login, or you can also log in using Facebook and Twitter here as well. So let's simply log in. So just click on sign in. So here you can, I already saved my credentials, so I can simply hit the login button here. So this is how it looks inside of my account. If I would like to know, say, what all the features we have here, just simply click here so that it will be expanded, so you can read all the features here available. In this video, we're going to discuss each and every feature in brief, but in subsequent videos, you will be having a detailed, explanation about every feature. So let's see first. You can use this search to search any feature available in this application, or any campaign, or any list that you created. Anything you can use this search. It is a global search. You can find anything that is there in your account. And then if you got any messages from uh, your super admin, I mean the platform owners, you will see those messages here. And then if you want to know on what plan you are and all usage and everything, see here, the quota usage is around 1 million, but we just used 5,476 emails. I have unlimited list permission. I have unlimited campaigns permission, but emails that I can send only 1 million, and subscriber is unlimited. So you can refresh to see the latest, the latest limit here. And coming to the here is simply it's your my account here. You can change the password. You can change other information that you would like to know. You can change your avatar, a time zone, and other information, and the your company details and your subscription information. So, and if you would like to disable your account, you can. If you would like to export the entire information, you can export. That's the thing. Let's move ahead and let's check the dashboard. So this is a dashboard. Basically, since which this account is already existed, you're not able to see here the tour guide. But if you sign up freshly, you will be having tour guide. We are trying to insert tour, the videos are nice videos which explains you the entire process in the tour itself. Maybe next couple of days you will see the videos in the tour guide. The tour guide actually guide you the entire application. So coming to the dashboard, you see that how many campaigns you run, the number of lists. If you click here, it will take you to the all campaigns that you have ran so far, or drafts, everything. So this work as a hyperlinks, and you have total subscribers and total templates that you created. And also you can see the recently sent campaigns stats here. So click through rate or open rate or bounce rate, and you can select here the campaigns that you run, and you can see statistics changing here with respect to that campaign. And you can also see the campaign in detail reports from the dashboard itself, and recent activity also you can notice here. If you have a team, so you can actually see at what date, what they changed, all this stuff here in the recent activity. Let's see how this list works. Before I like to go to the list, I would like to explain you how this pricing plans works. Price plans, right now I am here in the mass emailing plan. Since we assigned this plan from admin, you haven't seen that your subscription plan in my account here. So here, these are the three different plans. These are like every plan comes with a lifetime validity. There is no kind of certain time that you have to use it. We don't want to force the customers or users. So you will have a peace of mind. You can send emails whenever you want at your convenient time. So send 300,000 emails. So there is no daily no send limit on non-expirable credits. Send 3,000 emails per hour. So it costs you around $250, and the terms are very common terms. Bounce rate limit is 5%. Spamming, scamming, or prohibited. So, but this 5%, if your campaigns are really genuine and all, so this 5% will go up to even 15%. So, but we don't want to encourage the no spamming kind of or scamming kind of emails. So we had that initial bounce rate limit, but we want to help the genuine customers who would like to reach their audience through the cold emailing and mass mailing and all. So a value pack costs you $250, and the beginner and mass it's the same like 75,000 emails you can send, comes with lifetime validity. You won't see the expiring these emails. Comparing with others and us, like others actually force you to subscribe to the monthly plans. Whether you use or you won't use, you have to keep paying. They're going to keep deducting money from your debit cards and credit cards. We are not like that. Once you purchase, those credits will be remain with you as long as you want to send. So if you don't want to use the next 2 to 3 years, it's up to you. But these three plans use the shared IPs. It means, say example, you have actually sent a nice emails which has which are not actually producing which are producing less than 5% bounce rate, but another user using the same IP, if he has more bounce rate, that is going to impact the IPs that we are using, shared IPs reputation. So it's fine if you would like to still use the shared IPs, but if you wanted to have reputation, your own IPs, and then these are the three packages that we have. So these three packages are different. Like it comes with a it every month $350, 40,000 emails per day you can send for fresh and dedicated IPs you will get. If your IP get blacklisted, because maybe if you I noticed, especially our team noticed, when you have more than 30%, 40%, 50% bounce rate, and then the spammer watchers actually they put your IP under blacklist, then your emails won't actually reach to the inbox, not even to the mail server. In this case, we will replace the IP. If we notice that IP got blacklisted, so replacement of IP cost you $10. So if you purchase the solo, we're gonna deliver it in 7 working days. It is purely white label. You won't see the Adcrux brand and all this stuff. Or if you find with it, you will be having, but you won't see anywhere. When you send emails also, you won't see the Adcrux footprints and nothing. It's pure white label stuff. So, and enterprise, which comes, we will discuss about the plans in details. And even if you want to know more about the plans, you just visit the Adcrux and go to just hit the buy SMTP servers, where you can actually know the all the features of owning your own SMTP server. Here we have explained all in detail. Okay, what all you get and all this stuff. So coming back to our, so these are the prices. You can simply hit the purchase and choose the payment gateway. Right now we have a PayPal and Stripe. So you can use a Stripe or PayPal, just hit the proceed payment. So here you just need to, if you have a coupon code, if you need any discounts, just reach us. If we are running any campaigns or discounts, we provide you the coupon code, you will get the discount. But here, I, from our sales team, what we want to promise you, if anyone wants to subscribe at least minimum 3 months, they definitely get good amount of discounts. 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. So you can reach us at support or sales at adcrux.io. So we will definitely, give you a good amount of discounts. So for long term, plans, you can send emails to these email IDs. So then let's come into order history. Whatever you purchase, you will see the order history here. And then let's see the campaigns. All campaigns here, you will be having all the list of campaigns that you ran and drops and everything. See every campaign here. We have a couple of drops here. We already ran a couple of campaigns here. You can actually manage the groups, create new campaign, or import from the shared core and export the campaign if you want. So regular campaigns that you are running, you can see here, and autoresponders, like these are sequences, like what you would like to do if customer open email or customer send you the response or customer click on any link. So these kind of responders you can create here simply, and we'll go to that thing. So here, let's show you something like, okay, let's open this. So this is a campaign. If you click on this campaign, you will see it has a 500 recipients. I would like to recommend many people actually send 20,000, 30,000 at one go. It is not recommendable. If you would like to generate some sales, I would like to have a good amount of subscribers, opt-in users, I would recommend a split entire data that you have into 500 batch or 200 each, and send them, at different time intervals. So I certainly can tell you, I assure you that you will see good amount of open and click rate. So that is one thing. And then, yeah, here see the from name and then all this stuff. You would like to see the email that you sent, you just click here, and then you can see the email content, and you can see how many opens you got. If you click here, it will take you to the list of opens, how many times they open, and IP address, and all this stuff. And let's go back to this campaign here by clicking. So you see the clicks, and you can see the bounce rate that you have, and then this bar chart will tell you that how many clicks you got through the every website, and then operating systems, devices, and browsers they used. So it has detailed information, and even you can see the geo opens and other stats. Let's go to here, and then let us select something. So here we have a 48 clicks and open rate. When your campaign is very small, the list of contacts, the open rate and click rate will have a potential, a significant increase. So just make sure that always you send less emails, so that you will be having, if you are sending sales emails, promotion emails, you don't need to bother about it. We'll discuss about it. So here you can see that the browsers, what browsers they use and all this stuff. And then come, so you can create the groups for the campaigns, so that you can easily recognize campaigns like groups. You can create groups and deals, warm up users, very first time sales, something like the groups, so that you can filter the campaigns using group name. So you can create a group, and stats, you will see all the stats here, the same stats what you have we have just gone through a while ago. And coming to the geo opens, so if your emails have different countries users emails, you will even see that how many users actually opens your emails by country. So custom tags are a different thing that, like, we're going to use the custom tags while we're creating email templates. You can simply create your own custom tags for unsubscribing users or want to provide additional information. You can create. So while you're creating custom tags, you just need to make sure that you have to give this prefix cct, and then you can name your own custom tag. So, and that's all about the campaigns, and let's discuss about the email templates. Email templates, you can define categories here, and you can see the gallery. As of now, we are not providing any galleries. The reason being is we have a beautiful a template builder. So if you click on create new, so where you can actually simply type the plain text. Yes, when you would like to make it more personal, I would recommend to send the plain text emails. But when you want to really do some kind of promotions or campaigns, and then I would recommend you to use the drag and drop option here, a name, and select the category. And this is a beautiful drag and drop kind of editor. So simply you can drag logo and you can keep the logo here. So these are the various things that where you can add the logos. So click here and select whatever logo you want here. You can keep the logo here. And if you want to edit, you can edit the text. You have a lot of features here. And simply you can use this. For example, you are running e-commerce application and you want to share pricing lists and images with the caption, all this stuff. Let's say images and caption. So simply drag and drop, and you can change image by just clicking here, and you can give the hyperlinks. Hit here to change the hyperlink. So it's a simple drag and drop email. You can have call to action, pricings, like just discuss if you are running a SaaS application or e-commerce, and if you want to share pricing details, you can simply give hyperlink of your SaaS or e-commerce specific product link here, so that there's one way you generate the good amount of sales by sending these promotions. This is all about email templates. Coming to the domains, so as of now, we are not allowing users to send from their free emails like Gmail or iCloud or Yahoo, Hotmail. You must register your official domain name. That's the only one way that we can actually avoid these scamming emails. So you have to verify your domain. It's very simple. So as soon as possible, so as soon as you type your domain name here, we actually generate DKIM private key and this thing, and we will give you a SPF records. You just need to submit those records. Like say here, this you have to put in your domain registration and this thing. That's it. So these two things, you will be having a detailed a video where we will show you how to actually add these two things. So it is just simply you have to place in DNS records. So it's very easy that you just need to go to the domain DNS records and select the txt and then place this content there. And tracking domains are the same like the sending domains. You just need to verify them as well. Coming to the API keys are, you can generate API keys if you want to use it anywhere, use these credits somewhere in your application. But as of now, our API document only supports the Python and PHP languages. We don't have API document in many languages, but our tech team is working. It is in progress. We'll keep sharing more information about the APIs. Coming to the service. Service like, say example, if you want to collect opt-in emails, or if you want to collect the your current users opinion about any specific feature on your website, or if you want to run employee survey, this is very useful, so you can use it for anything. This is very simple. You can create a survey. So we have a sample survey. So let me show you how it works. So simply, it says the survey has ended. For example, assume this is opt-in subscription text box. User can type the message and he can submit it simply. So I'm just edit this thing, text survey and feedback or something. The end date is it's March 25th. Let me change it to the May 31st and save it. So now the survey is going to be different. This is how the survey is going to look to the end users. So, so yeah, this is how the survey is going to look to the end users. So last dated, and the survey date has not changed because it's entered. You have to simply make it copy, and then you can create another survey by editing it. So this is one, and then when if you want to add anything to the survey, basically you can see the responders if anyone submit emails and all. So you see the responders details here. You will be having another detail video where you can find how you can see the responders details here on their contact details and all this stuff, and the fields that we have used here. This is only one field that we have used here. For example, how are you doing is the one field that we've been used here, and we made it required, and you can make it optional or required, visible or not visible, and sort order of the text field, description of the text field, and maximum length, minimum length or something like that. And these are the all fields that you can add to the form. Text field area, date field, date and time, add country field, geo country, consent checkbox, drop down field. All these fields you can add to the same survey form. And coming to the articles, here we have a different articles. If you would like to know about how you want to create surveys, what makes your emails land in spam and how to avoid them. The simple articles, we kept them in simple, terminology and understandable language. Okay, so I mean, non-technical words. We kept everything in non-technical words so that everyone can understand easily. We have IP warm-up strategy. This is for people who want their own IPs to send emails. So if you click here, and we have explained here how to create survey, okay, and how to add the survey fields and custom fields, and then survey is going to look like this if you want to receive the ratings. So it's that simple. Yeah. Now, so support tickets, how does it work? It's simple. Our support works Monday to Friday and 24 by 7. So you will be receiving response in 24 hours. You simply need to create, if you have any problem with the system, give a subject and choose the department and then choose the priority, and we're going to respond to you as soon as possible. Reply tagger is a new feature. If anyone send you the response, I mean the campaigns, the list you have in the campaign, if anyone from that list send the response, send the email, or if they respond, you can see those responses here. You simply need to create this that sender email ID, here. Once you add it, system will automatically recognize all the responses. And also, when if anyone respond, and if you want to send subscriber email, you can also send subscriber email if they respond. Say example, you ran a campaign and they responded to that campaign, and you can say that, hey, we received your email, so one of our team members will reach you shortly. So this kind of default message you can send as soon as they send you give you a response. So this is how reply tracker. So this is how the overall system works. So you will be seeing more videos in detail explaining each and every feature. Thank you very much.